Jürgen, you're disappointed. Maybe you could have got more out of the game. Pep Guardiola, however, has said that it's one of his proudest moments of his career today. So,
he's Spanish. They're a little bit more emotional than the Germans.
Why do you think he would be so proud of that? Does that show that
maybe he said it. Look, I thought, yeah, of course, how was that? That's for Man City, how strong they are and how good they are, and it's really difficult to play them. But again, we did well. So am I proud about the performance? Yes, of course. But unfortunately, maybe I'm a lucky guy and that I have a few nicer moments in my life. But it's a good moment actually.